You know, I didn't work here last night. I was going to, but dinner took a little bit longer than I thought. And I'm going to finish up this morning. Now, I already put this in the housing. This is the old air conditioner, and I look at the box, and there's a little notch on the styrofoam inside the box. And so I'm going to set it like that. And I'm just going to tilt this up like this and slide the box in here like that. Now I can tilt it. I can tilt the whole box up like that. Then I can kind of hang on to it here, grab this and lift it up, because there's a certain notch in there for the styrofoam, and I've got it right there. And that's how you can box up your old one. Here's this that I didn't need. You put that in there. There's that other piece that I didn't need. I could put that in there. However, okay, then I can put this back on there if I want. It goes the other way. Look at that. And the old cover I can put in there. There, it's all ready to go back. You can take it to the recycler that way. Easier to load up in your car, your van, your truck. Just like that. Now if you have a dolly, I got this at the store. It was like 20 bucks. If you're going to move it all around, or you have to move it quite a ways, I take it like this, and then I can tilt this up. Put this all the way under. You can put it up at an angle, kind of hold it, and it comes on. Put my feet right on the wheels, and away you go. Have fun. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.